Hello everyone, today we'll learn how to stop the application sppsvc, or which called Microsoft Software Protection Platform Service, and we will know how to stop it while they use HIG CPU usage. So let's get started, and don't forget to subscribe to get notified the next videos.
Audio Jungle.
Well, before we start, I want to tell you I strongly recommend to don't stop this program because, like you see here, it's from System 32, and they have a rule in in the Windows 10. So don't do this. So I'll tell you when you should do this. Well, you should do this when they take mush or high CPU usage. Well, when they take high CPU usage, you can stop them, but only when you play games or use a program like Adobe or something like this. You should stop them, but not all day. It should be temporary, about 1 hour, 2 hour, because they have a rule in the Windows 10. Well, now let's get started. Here in the task manager, when you go here, you will click here and you will show this task manager bar. Well, I found it, and this is the Microsoft Software Protection Platform Service. Well, when I click end task, when I click end task, they say access is denied. Well, what I should do here is doing this. Firstly, you can't stop it like this. You need to download the program I'll show it in the description below, the download link. Well, you should download the Process Hacker 2, and this program is very useful. So here's the sppsvc. So what you should do is click in like this and suspend on. Okay, sorry. Well, when you click suspend, you will stop it temporarily, not all day. Well, for example, you are gonna play a game now and you don't want any lag. Well, you click suspend and click continue because you will need the admin access. Well, you click yes and you suspend it, and after you finish the game or something what you're doing, go back to the application and click resume. Just search for it. At the beginning, when you enter the application, you'll see it like this. Click SBB and it will show, and click this and click resume and click continue again and yes again. Well, it's now activated, and when it takes use and while you are going to play game for 1 hour or 2 hours, you can use Process Hacker. The Process Hacker is a good service, and you can stop some so let's stop it and see if it will block it. So you click yes, and like this you will see it will stop, but it will don't stop temporarily. It will stop temporarily. Well, and resume again. Well, I think that's all, and if you did this, the HIG usage will be fixed, and I don't think anything will happen after this. Well, and thank you for watching, and then I have good new news for my channel. Well, I'm looking for a partner in the computer topics like this, like fixing computer problems like I do, or games or reviews or any program reviews. So if you do this, you can contact me in, well, you can contact me and we can be a partner, and we can help each other. So I'll wait you. Well, goodbye and see you in the next video.